Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona Beach, Florida. So I had a client ride out 3 hours from Pennsylvania to get his audio tuned on his Harley-Davidson Road Glide. He did his install himself. It was a full Cicada build. He just brought it down so we can get it dialed in, and did a really good job on the install. So he used a Cicada Flx 1400p with the built-in DSP. Then he used the slave output to drive the Cicada Flx 1000, driving a set of Cicada 8-inch mid-bass drivers, the carbon CMB8s. In the lids, he had the Cicada Cmx 8 carbon fiber. In the fairing, he had the Cicada Cmx 6.5 carbon fiber, and then the replacement grills with the MO75 horn tweeters. Bike sounded phenomenal. Lithium battery on the bike. He just needed help with the tune. Got it dialed in for him. The bike sounds amazing. Check out the build. For those that don't know, we opened our third location in Daytona, Florida 2 weeks ago. It's fully operational. I'm in Florida now. Me, Josh, and Manj. Knocking out installs and tunes. We're doing free tunes for the entire month of September to promote the opening of the new shop. We're busy with builds already. We got Slingshot in the shop. We got 4 Harleys in the shop. We have our new demo bike in the shop. We have John Jackett's bike in the shop. We have my 2024 CVO in the shop. The shop is fully functional and running. We have full inventory. And Rich is coming down with the rest of the equipment and displays in a week. So if you're anywhere near Daytona, Florida, stop by, check out the shop. We'd love to have you. And we're offering free RTA tunes for the rest of the month of September. 100% free of charge. Bring the bike down if you don't think it sounds right. If you just want us to look over the tune, stop by. It's 100% free of charge. And the still moments of remembering what you had, what you loved, and what you had, what you loved. Wonder only happens when it's raining.
We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. One more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like